when Prokofiev started out, he had in mind a slightly more domestic piece, a piece more about the private passions, perhaps. And in reaction to the German invasion, it had to become something that encompassed the war and also encompassed the very powerful feelings of patriotic emotion that were stirred up by that.
Prokofiev is able to be a great melodic composer, and we can enjoy great melodies, great inspiration in the areas we will be listening to. At the same time, there is a lot of abrupt music that is dramatic. The singers are sometimes even speaking on stage, melodramatic, and then very light and ironical music. So it's a very complex work that I think is very much worth to see and hear.
And one of the important things about the piece is that it describes how a nation discovers its identity through the experiences of the ordinary people, the people who are left behind in burning Moscow, the people who are prisoners on the march back to France, the people who are partisans in the forest, and Pierre, who's the sort of the Tolstoy figure in the work, if you like, is somebody who discovers his own identity by meeting ordinary people. So this was a very important message, really, of the piece, that it was in the whole of Russia coming together, from aristocrats to peasants, from generals to partisans, that this experience was lived through. And that's the richness that we have in this gallery of extraordinarily well-observed characters.
So to go through the piece in the first rehearsals with the orchestra is quite a long story, because the piece is simply long, and as this is a new version, there are a lot of moments where we are really thinking on how to articulate it, or is this harmony right, or is it a mistake? Then we are questioning the editor. It's really a big process, and I was again very happy to see how much our WNO orchestra is involved, and how dedicated they are to create the piece. And I think they are very much looking forward to be performing it.